So how do you delete a clip from Capcut on the iPad? And let's begin. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Now, once you have your clips imported to the Capcut timeline, you can obviously select the clip like that and tap on the delete like trash can icon. It will make it go away, right? But if you specifically want to cut out only a portion of the clip, what you have to do is click on the video, like move to the position where you want the removed portion to begin. You tap on a split, you move over to the end of the undesired clip, tap on a split again, and you have now like middle portion or middle clip right there as a separate entity, right? So you can select it separately and then now tap on the trash can icon as well, and you will cut out only the middle part, which we separated using the split, right? Split at the beginning, split at the end. We have a separate clip in the middle now, which can be removed, or you can apply some other things in or to that clip as well, right? So I hope it all makes sense. This is how you can delete a clip from the Capcut on the iPad. For more quick and straight to the point tutorials like this one, stay tuned and by subscribing, and you're not going to miss anything important. That's it from me, and I hope to get to see you later in the next videos as well.